Hello everyone, today we are going to be playing Five Nights at Freddy's 3 demo, and I'll have 3 parts to this. Well, I guess I'll try and get as far as possible, so let's go to load game. No, I'm on the first night.
Hey, glad you came back for another night.
So this is basically boring stuff, and yeah, I'm gonna put my...
We found some great new relics over the weekend, and we're out tracking down a new lead right now. So, let me just update you real quick, then you can get to work. Like, the attraction opens in like a week, so we have to make sure everything works and nothing catches on fire. When the place opens, people will come in at the opposite end of the building and work their way toward you.
Okay, so yeah, this means actually playing it. It's not Markiplier or anything.
Become part of the attraction. You'll be starring as a security guard. So not only will you be monitoring the people on the camera as they pass through, to make sure no one steals anything or makes out in the corner.
And personally, I like the phone.
It'll make it feel really authentic, I think. Now let me tell you about what's new. We found another set of drawings, always nice, and a foxy head, which we think could be authentic. Then again, it might just be another crappy cosplay. And we found a desk fan, very old school, metal though. Watch the fingers.
Bonnie right here,
right now the
yeah,
place
it's
is
pretty cool.
basically just, flashing lights and spooky props.
So if you actually never played Five Nights at Freddy's 3, here's how the mechanics work. So basically, this is the camera area, and if you put target toggle, you can target through
like I said, we're trying to track down a good lead right now.
the vents,
Some
and
guy who helped design one of the buildings says it was like an extra room that got boarded up or something like that. So we're going to take a peek and see what we can find. For now, just get comfortable with the new setup. You can shift the security camera over to your right with the click of that blue button. You can toggle between the whole cams and the vent cams.
then basically this is the maintenance panel, so if my camera system ever does go offline, just push it, or any of these go offline, you can just push the button, and if they all go offline, leave it on.
We may have overdone it a bit. Some of this equipment is barely functional. I wasn't joking about the fire. That's a real risk. The most important thing you want to watch for is the ventilation. Look, this place will give you the spooks, man. And if you let that ventilation go offline, then you'll start seeing some crazy stuff, man. Keep that air flowing. Okay, keep an eye on things, and we'll try to have something new for you tomorrow night.
And that call took the whole thing. Okay, so it's just 5:59. Okay, so let's just do this real quick. Okay, recording, yeah, Five Nights at Freddy's 3, and, and goodbye.
Hey man, okay, I have some awesome news for you. First of all, we found some vintage audio training cassettes. Dude, these are like prehistoric. I think they were like training tapes for like other employees or something like that. So I thought we could like have them playing like over the speakers as people walk through the attraction. Dude, that makes us feel legit, man. But I have an even better surprise for you. You're not gonna believe this. We found one. A real one. Gotta go, man. Well, look, it's in there somewhere. I'm sure you'll see it. Okay, I'll leave you with some of this great audio that I found. Talk to you later, man.
Welcome to your new career as a performer/entertainer for Freddy Fazbear's
Okay,
Pizza.
so,
These tapes will provide you with much-needed information on how to handle
Savage right there, and this is actually
climb out of
we've been waiting
mascot
for
costumes.
Scott Cochran
Right now, we have
Spring
two
Trap.
specially designed suits that
So I'm
double
gonna call
as
him
both
Savage. Don't
animatronic
get mad at
and
me
suit.
because I
So
always get
please
confused
pay close
from his
attention
new
while
name and
learning
his
how to
original
operate
name.
these suits as accidents/injuries/death irreparable and grotesque maiming can occur.
A video
First, we'll discuss how to
So this is
operate
what I was
the
talking
mascots
about
when
in the
they are in
beginning of the
animatronic
video.
form. For ease of
Oh, come on.
operation,
No.
animatronics
No.
are set to turn and walk towards sound.
No. Why does it go off? No.
No,
It's not cool. It's not cool.
No.
I just freaking repaired
Change the
this.
animatronics to suit mode.
Oh, well.
Insert and turn firmly the hand crank provided by the
Actually, yeah.
manufacturer. Turning the crank will
Doesn't-
recoil and
no,
compress the
see this-
animatronic parts around the sides of the
No.
suit, providing room to climb inside.
We're
Please
freaking
make sure the
savage.
spring locks
We're
are fastened
savage.
tight to ensure the animatronic devices remain fixed. We will cover this in more detail in tomorrow's session. Remember to smile. You are the face of Freddy Fazbear's Pizza.
Oh my freaking god.
You can tap on him? Yeah, he isn't.
Okay,
Hi.
so obviously we got common sense
Hi.
right here. So I just want to tell you, you are here way too early, and you should stop wasting your time staring at my soul. I mean, really, you should just go, and I'm freaking gonna put this in your face so I don't have to see your ugly, hideous face all the time, and I can't even put it out here because I can't. No! No! I'm dead. Come on, go. What the frick did I just do? Okay, I can't die. I freaking can't die. She's gonna stay over here, and this is my plan, so... No! Don't you do anything, because if I turn this way, he's gonna be right here. If I turn again, it's Springtrap, all up in his face. Wow, Miko, wow.
That means low back. That's the God's way. I'm back.
No, okay, stop.
Another with
Motion. Okay. Okay. Well, you got this creepy thing in the background. Probably just that fan right there. Yeah, it's probably just that creepy fan. Okay, 5 a.m. 5 a.m. We cannot die.
Yes, it's
Okay. No, yeah. Don't you go off again.
the Wesley's gone.
He's right there. If I push a thing, I'm dead. So I'm just gonna get this away from Nico. And my hand is like really sweaty. I can even like see the sweat going off from like a mile away. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Glitch out and freaking go to 5 a.m. No. No.
And I got you.
Well, that's going to be it for this video. I'll try and finish it tomorrow, but yeah, this is basically, I don't know.
Yeah,
it's basically a really hard game. And, yeah, I beat it before. Okay, yeah, I kind of messed up at that. But anyways, I will see you in the next video. Bye.